There is no infinite love. There is no irredeemable love than your sincere, foolish, holy love, your attention, oh Mother. There is no time without your prayers. There is no pain without your cries. When sadness approaches me, your hand strengthens me. Oh, no, your love never stops. You poured your feelings in the sacrifice. You are not tired to give, no. Me can't prove what you expect to be a bride, oh Mother. Please, mighty God, pour your grace to her and give it opportunity. Make your wishes come true. Oh, her and give it opportunity. Make your wishes come true. No, your child is never able to service me. Can't prove what you expect to be a bride, oh Mother. Stops. You poured your feelings in the sacrifice. You are not tired to give. Your hand strengthens me. Your hand strengthens me. Your help's never able to service. You can't prove what you expect. Be your pride, oh Mother.